afternoon. Yun, nandito kami sa kalagitnaan ng Taib at saka ito sa kalsada, Taib at saka Alula. Yan bangki, may tumatawid sa highway. Tapos may tumatawid yun bangki. Ang ganda ng panahon. Bundok. Umihi pa. Umihi pa. Saan ngayon kasama niyan? Maraming papuntang Alula. Wag lang tumawid sana, wag lang tumawid. Ayan, yan lang yung stopover namin ngayon. Yung stopover. Ayan, see you mamaya sa next namin stopover. Alright.
Oh my god! Why is it going towards me? Oh, suha.
Kuya, you're so
Suha.
That's how it's
It's
supposed
Suha.
to be.
It's Suha.
The wind
No,
will
it's
not,
Toyo.
will
Not Suha.
adjust for you. You should know what to adjust. Go there on the other side.
Oh, just get.
That's when it's good already, my love.
Just a bit
It's a
more.
good
It's too much, my love.
Mine is crispy.
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 Marshmallow naging
It's
crispy na.
brown.
Crispy talaga yan. It's so yummy, promise.
Look at this.
Perfectly.
It tastes good. Mine is crispy. Perfect. Mine is crispy and soft inside.
Perfect.
Brown. I know it's perfectly brown. It has a little bit taste. Bitter though.
It tastes bitter though.
Maybe because it touched the charcoal.
It tastes bitter. Because it's burnt. That's why.
Whoa.
Mag-heart si Ninang Laila sa
Oh!
Wow.
Alula. Babalik-balikan mo talaga.
Balik ulit kayo sa amin
Maganda talaga yung pagpan winter.
Pwede naman na ano yung pupunta dito.
Oh,
Ganyan. Kung ayaw niya
Where's the paypay?
magbalikan pa.
No need to paypay.
Alam mo yung difference kapag travel ka ng
Hey, so?
family alone kayo with other friends. And it becomes different experience.
Oh no. This is
Literally need
crispy.
crazy flash. Hindi na nag-ausap na.
Sunday to fire.
Monster. Ay, ito maganda.
Sunday, Sunday, mine doesn't even look like it.
Saya na natin.
Oh, so mine's really crispy.
Nilalagay niya na sa charcoal.
Wala. Nag-block naman to. Hindi, wag to.
That's why it's bitter.
Ilan, ilan.
Ate, are you done?